Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Do you see some of these dramatic sports photos and maybe it piques your interest about trying to start out? Well, we're here today to give you some tips on how to get going and what you need in order to start.
And make sure to stick around until the end because we have something very helpful for you.
And by the end of this video today, we hope you have some small tips to get you started to start taking these dramatic sports photos.
Don't forget, for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos.
So when talking about these dramatic sports photos, it's important to realize that these portraits can actually be taken in the middle of a bright gym. They can be taken in the middle of a day with sunlight out. They can be taken at any time.
One of the most important things to know, which some of you already might know, but we wanted to put this out there even though it might seem obvious to some of you, is that in order to take images like these with that dark, dramatic, moody background, you do need to have some sort of strobes. We use the Godox 8400 strobes, and we'll give you more information about that later on.
Something that we really recommend and we love to do is using smoke and gels, whether that be a fog machine, aerosol spray, and colored gels to really get that fun pop and make your photo look even more dramatic.
And as you can see here in the images up in the upper right-hand corner, that's what the gels look like, and we'll give you the link to those as well. And then the atmosphere aerosol below on the bottom left is the spray we use to get that cool fog look. Those two things together, along with the strobe, can really help get that great look. The next tip we have is when you are setting your camera settings, you want to be working with a low ISO and a high f-stop number. So make sure to keep that in mind when you're playing around with your new strobes or your strobes that you currently have. Look at using on your camera, as far as manual mode settings go, a low ISO and a high f-stop number.
Probably the biggest piece of advice that we can give you is that it does take practice. It takes practice to get familiar with where to place your lights, what settings to have your lights at, all the different things that it goes into getting this dramatic sports photos. It's worth the practice that you put in.
And then the final piece of advice that we can give you is seek out education to help simplify it for you. Now, we do have a dramatic sports photography course for those of you that are interested and ready to get started. We keep it very simple. We keep it to the point. We break everything down to make it very simple for you and easy to understand. So if you're interested in that at all, make sure to check out the description below. And you guys, we hope that this was super helpful for you in giving you an idea of what you maybe need and just some tips and tricks along the way to get those cool dramatic sports photos. Now, if you do want to get started, but you're not ready to full on purchase the course, we do have our full equipment list with links included that you can get in the description below. That is absolutely free.
And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more just like this one.
And if you don't already, follow us on Instagram at esquared.photography to see more behind the scenes footage of us at sessions like these, and we will see you next time.